So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on change advanced power settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand wider step to settings. Now you're going to expand power saving mode. And now you should be having a setting. You're going to set this to maximum performance. Also, on your screen, you may have some more options that will say on battery and plugged in. If you have on battery and plugged in, you also want to set that to maximum performance as well. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I've got the NVIDIA app. And then once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. Now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for the software. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.